Hello, good morning children. So today's session is going to be with the organic part, that to be very important, name reactions. So after doing this part, this is very important for all categorical examinations like NEET, JEE, mains, etc. Don't avoid them all, practice them in the beginning itself. So then we can answer at least one question. It's guaranteed 4 marks question you can expect from this session. So that's going to be our part is concerned. See, listen children, see when we are going to do this part, the aniline is going to be the starting material. The aniline is subjected to diazotization reaction. So the diazotization means conversion of amino group into diazonium chloride or diazonium bromide. Conversion of amino group into diazonium chloride or whatever is called here diazonium bromide. So that diazotization agent is NaNO2HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius children. Why? Because at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius means that's going to be what you say, if it is more than that, the produced nitrous acid is going to be decomposed. The produced nitrous acid which held responsible for diazotization, that will be dissociated. Then there is no question of diazotization. When you raise the temperature is concerned, then you are getting BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, or BDB, benzene diazonium bromide. This is the intermediate, popular intermediate children, which is very much useful to prepare certain compounds that are going to be like, that's the heading is going to be, this is the first step where we have seen diazotization. Once again I repeat children, the conversion of amino group into diazonium chloride, that's called diazotization. The diazotizing reagent is going to be NaNO2HCl or HBr at lower temperature like 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So the next popular reaction is going to be Sandmeyer's name reaction children. If you have treated with CuCl, of course we have written like this, but it is going to be Cu2Cl2, any common ion will be taken, right? So or else you write down straight away like in NCERT, CuCl or CuBr. So CuCl produces what's called here chlorobenzene. CuBr produces what you say here bromobenzene children. Followed. These two as well as when treated with Ki, it gives rise to iodobenzene. This is going to be what you say iodobenzene. This is the chlorobenzene. This is going to be what you say bromobenzene. All the three comes under Sandmeyer. In fact children, people will not consider this as Sandmeyer's reaction. So this is the second part of our intermediate like benzene diazonium chloride, the most significant one children, that's going to be Balz-Schiemann reaction. So not to avoid this, this is going to be treated with fluoroboric acid. It's not a stable compound, it's a mixture of HF and BF3. It's also one of the beautiful question you come across in the exam. Of course, if the paper is tough regarding intermediates are going to be there, the benzene diazonium chloride treated with fluoroboric acid, it's an additional product HF and BF3 that's going to give us fluorobenzene and liberates 1 mole of nitrogen as well as BF3. But children here, I'd like to bring to your notice, that's called what is called here here the intermediate is going to be fluorodiazonium benzene diazonium borate. So that's not required for you people at this juncture, right children? This the name reaction is said to be Balz-Schiemann reaction. The reagent is going to be HBF4. Followed? So this is the whatever is called here, what's known as here, this is one of the part of this reaction here. That's fluorobenzene, we have written here, that's nothing but fluorobenzene. So whatever you are going to get, the part is going to be, I told you intermediate, just after finishing this I will give you that one. And next one children, whenever the benzene diazonium chloride or BDB is treated with CuHCl, Then you are getting again chlorobenzene. If you are treated with copper powder and HBr, that's going to give us bromobenzene. Follow children? This is the products. The name of the reaction is said to be Guttermann's reaction. So this is another part which we are going to dealt with. The intermediate is nothing but BDC or BDB. That's what we have done, children. After that, Baba, we will go another two reactions. What they are means, one is Wurtz reaction, the another one is called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. This is called what's known as here Wurtz and Wurtz-Fittig reaction. What's Wurtz, children? When you have taken 2 moles of chlorobenzene in presence of sodium and ether, when there is an electropositive element, guys, that we should take ether media. If you have taken any aqueous media or any other media that leads to explosion. Why? Because the most electropositive element is going to be sodium. Hence you are getting biphenyl. See here, the biphenyl is going to be aromatic as per 4n plus 2 pi rule. You can verify this, children. It's going to be what you say aromatic here. Biphenyl is going to be aromatic compound as per Haeckel's rule. That's also one of the decent objective related to this biphenyl is concerned. So this, here we are going to see Wurtz-Fittig reaction. When you are treated this chlorobenzene with RX, then you are going to get whatever is called here alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene. That's nothing but known as here Wurtz-Fittig reaction. So like this, the another part is also completed. What are the parts which we have divided from the intermediate? Once again I am repeating, children, make it fast. So the intermediate is BDC or BDB, benzene diazonium chloride or benzene diene. The treating with CuCl or Cu and CuBr. CuCl gives chlorobenzene, CuBr gives bromobenzene. The next one is called here from BDC or BDB when you are treated with HbF4. Followed fluoroboric acid. Once again I am recollecting you, it's not a stable compound, it's an unstable compound like this HFBF3 mixture. Then you are getting fluorobenzene, very popular reaction. And then it liberates 1 mole of nitrogen gas and 1 mole of BF3. So that's going to be what's called here Balz-Schiemann reaction is concerned, where we have prepared fluorobenzene. After that, children, we have done Guttermann's once again. CuHCl, CuBr, bromobenzene and chlorobenzene. Wurtz reaction, the reagent is always sodium ether. And next one is called Wurtz-Fittig. Here also reagent is sodium ether. Wurtz-Fittig meant for alkyl benzene preparation, whereas Wurtz meant for preparation biphenyl from chlorobenzene. These both rings are going to be aromatic in nature. So this is about regarding what you say here biphenyl is concerned here, children. Got it, children? This is regarding this, but I am going, the another very interesting part, the next part is going to be 5th part. What's that, children? Condensation reaction from 2 moles of chlorobenzene, 1 mole of chloral. That's going to be what you say, 1 mole of chloral. In presence of concentrated H2SO4, this undergoes dehydration, Baba. It's going to be undergoes dehydration by taking these 2 hydrogens from the aromatic ring itself. So the loss of water is going to be taking place. You are going to get DDT. See, children, majority of you generally, sometimes this is questioned as what is its IUPAC name? What is the IUPAC name of DDT? 1,1,1-trichloro bis 4-chlorophenyl ethane. Once again, children, 1,1,1-trichloro bis 4-chlorophenyl ethane. 4-chlorophenyl ethane. So it's the IUPAC name of this, whatever is called. You have to pack the name with your I. That's called IUPAC name of this, children. So don't avoid this one. It's a very beautiful question. you come across from all this part of this session. And next children, while I am teaching this one, I told you one thing. What's the intermediate, sir, you are saying always? It's going to be, the intermediate is going to be benzene diazonium fluoroborate. Benzene, the intermediate formed, because you learnt it or not, it's material for us. Benzene diazonium, what do you say here? Fluoroborate. Thank you, children. This is the session. 100% you can expect one possible question in the next coming NEET or mains is concerned. Thank you, children. Thank you.